Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sydney. Nice to meet you, and I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and tutorial using the Colourpop tie-dye in A Trance palette. So this is what that looks like. It's really cute. It's one of their 9-pan palettes in the plastic packaging, and this palette retails for $12, just like the rest of their 9-pan palettes. And it was on their website, and I immediately was just so freaking drawn to this color story. It's so beautiful, it's so up my alley, and it's just like a nice pinkish purple, like bluish dream. It's just so freaking pretty, and I can't wait to play with it. And yeah, so if you guys want to see a tutorial and first impression using this palette, keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this really beautiful purple shade, Own Your Power, right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer parts of my crease. This is a really pretty shade. You just need to build it up a little bit, but that's not a problem. Alright, that's what we're looking like so far. And next I'm going to take that really beautiful pink shade up level right here, and I'm going to put that on the other inner part of my crease with the same blending brush. It's such a pretty shade. It's a unique, like, really mauve-y berry shade. It's not like a pink, but it's not a purple. It's really cute. Really into it. I love how that looks. That's just so nice, and they just blended so freaking nicely. Colourpop is always great with their formula. It's freaking amazing how they can just price their stuff at like $12, $9, $30, even $30 for like all of these amazing products, and it's just so affordable, and it's good quality too. So if you guys haven't, for some reason, haven't tried Colourpop before, I highly recommend it. So let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna use our handy dandy NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to take that and stamp that all over my lid. And I'm going to take the shade, oh, that's really pretty, Mind's Eye, this really beautiful shimmer purple, and put it on the outer part of my lid. And then in the inner part, I'm going to take that pressed glitter and try that out and see how that works with us today. Let's see, lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with the pink shade Daydream Baby, I think that's what it's called, to put that along my lower lash line. And that's what we're looking like, guys. It is so freaking cute. It's really pretty. I'm honestly obsessed with this color story. This palette is everything. It is so freaking cute. And I'm going to take that shimmery shade Clarity, the white one, put that in my inner corner real quick. It's definitely what I want in my inner corner. Oh, it's a little fragile. That's just perfect. That's just what that look needed. Oh my gosh. I think that white, is that white like tinted or something? Yeah, oh my gosh. That beautiful white color tinted like a bluish purple. Look how beautiful that shift is, guys. That's so freaking cute. That has to be one of my favorite inner corner shades ever. I'm obsessed. I did not know that that white shifted. It's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look up with my lashes, mascara, all that jazz on, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay guys, I'm back with the final look. This is what it looks like. It is so freaking cute. I love the way it looks. And this palette is so freaking pigmented and cute. And it's affordable. It's 12 bucks. I would recommend picking it up if you like this type of color story. And it's easy to travel with in case you go overnight places. And it's only 9 shades, but it's really cohesive. All the shades blended nicely. The pressed glitter was fine to work with. Honestly, I had no problems with this palette at all. And it's just so freaking cute. I'm literally obsessed with this look. And I wanted to share what else I have on my face. I use the Fairy Blush palette by Likely Makeup for my blush. For my highlight, I use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Choking on Ice Extreme Frost Highlighter. My lips, I use 2 different things. I use the K-Beauty Vegan Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mother. And the lip gloss, I use the Jeffree Star Lip Gloss in the shade Sorcery. And I use my Drama Queen mascara and my Dodo lashes in style D335. And if you do like my lashes as well, you can use the code Insidious for 10% off any lash products. This is the final look, and honestly my first impressions is this is just a wonderful palette and I'm obsessed with it. And I can't wait to create new looks. And I hope you guys enjoy this short little tutorial first impressions video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Bye.